Okay, so first of all, what I wanted to show you is the layers of this cake. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's usually between 14 and 18 layers. This one has, rough count, it's 17 layers. Very thin layers, okay? And so now what I want to do is I want to show you the cut of it. I'm just going to cut a little tiny size. Now what's important is that when you lift the slice up, that it doesn't break off, okay? And that do is I'm just going to hang it over. You can see there's so much moisture content in this one here that when you put it in your mouth and you press it up against the roof of your mouth, it will actually melt in your mouth. Not only that, but the flavors of the spices that are in here will actually, I don't know, it just explodes in the back of your mouth, and it just really tastes good, you know, when you're drinking it with a cup of coffee. All right, that's it. If you guys want to order, just let me know. This is Art Pereira, and the company is called Idaho Spekkoek. My number is 208-866-6411. Give me a call.